Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to Vee Mwelu Vlogs UK guys, and welcome to today's vlog. It's a very nice special garden, quite nice. Let me show you the name. As you can see, this area is managed by Portsmouth City Council. If you have any comments or questions about the gardens, please contact us on that number or email. There you go guys. Let's see what is in here. This is the rock garden. It's all rocky. And there are some waters, sounds of water have tea waters. So check those roses out guys, very beautiful. Let's go in here. Look, we might get lost in this rock garden. So this is like a pond. You can hear the waters are flowing from there. Maybe I'll capture that in a minute. But guys, enjoy. You can hear the sounds of waters here, flowing. Very peaceful. Oh, we've got some fish. It's a fish pond. Yeah, the pond has fish, but I don't think you'll be able to see them. I like the flowers growing through. But yes guys, there is some fish in there. Maybe we go down here. Look, there are some steps. Need to be very careful. Ta-da! Beautiful yellow color. Oops. God, you have some little caterpillars. So the water is coming up there. It's feeding the pond and then come to this bigger pond. That is so cute. It looks like oil, but it's water. Very nice. So we came through there. And look at all these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful flowers. This is beautiful, guys, very beautiful. Look at that. You can either go round here, or you can go through here as well. So probably let's go through here. Look at that. Just beautiful shape. A heart. I love heart shape. Look at all these beautiful flowers. Is that not amazing, guys? Look at this tree, the way it's grown. Unusual, unusual. So beautiful. All love hearts shape. All those are love hearts. Very nice. There is quite a few ponds. That is another pond there. Probably has fishes inside. Yeah, that is another different pond with all plants. Look at this cutie tree. Looks like all the leaves they're gonna turn red, but look at that. It's pretty. Those birds, they are called magpies. These black and white birds, they are magpies. When they are flying, their feathers look like diamond shapes, but they are not very friendly. Like, they scare the little birds or pigeons. Wow, look at that. Have to go back and capture this. I think it's standing out on a very dry tree. That is so gorgeous. Look at that dry tree and beautiful pink purplish flowers popping out there. Very, very beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, very cute. Red flowers, very, very cute. And those are the roses, but I want us to look at this rock garden from this angle and check that out. That is beautiful, guys. And it is still the early days. Flowers will still blossom and blossom more and more. That is beautiful. And this is even more beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. How beautiful is this? That is so beautiful, guys. That is beautiful. Amazing, beautiful.